In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email newsletter with Constant Contact. Once you are logged into your Constant Contact account, start by going to the top navigation menu, find Channels, and then select Emails. This takes you into the main email area, where you can view drafts, send campaigns, and create something new. To begin a new newsletter, click the button labeled Create or Create an Email. This opens the setup flow so you can choose a starting design. Constant Contact includes a library of templates that are already formatted for common newsletter layouts, promotions, and announcements. Take a moment to browse and pick a design that fits your goal and matches the type of content you plan to send. When you see a template you like, hover over it and click Select. This loads the template into the email editor so you can customize it. Inside the editor, you will be working with a drag-and-drop interface. This means you can build the layout visually without needing to code. On the left-hand toolbar, you will find content blocks you can add to your email. Drag in elements like images, text, buttons, or videos, and drop them directly into the section of the layout where you want them to appear. As you add content, keep your spacing clean, and make sure your most important message appears near the top so it is easy to spot at a glance. Next, refine the look of the whole newsletter using the Design tab. This is where you can adjust global styling such as colors, fonts, and background graphics. Using consistent fonts and a small set of brand colors helps the email look polished and recognizable. If you are using a custom page and you want to collect visitor information, you can also drag in a form block. This lets you capture details from people who interact with your page, and it can support list growth over time. When the design is ready, move into the sending details. Choose the list or segment you want to receive the email, so you are targeting the right audience. Then add your subject line. Keep it clear and specific so recipients know what to expect before they open the message. Finally, click Send to deliver your newsletter. That covers everything you need to know.